Hello and welcome to Project Management Skills module. Now we are discussing this scope because you as a procurement professional will learn how to treat the request that you receive the same way, the same mindset, using the tools and techniques the project manager uses while running his project. So you can treat your request as a project. Follow the same stages of a project, learn the skills that the project manager is doing, and apply the same skills processing the requests that you have. So, in this module, we'll discuss the definition of project management. Then we will go through the 5 stages of the project management cycle. This includes initiation and conception, project planning, launch and execution, monitoring and control, and finally the project closure. We map these stages of this project management cycle against the procurement cycle and the orders you are processing. Then we discuss the project management skills you should have as a project manager and a procurement professional to elevate the level of professional service you provide for your company, for your internal and external stakeholders. These skills are communication skills, time management skills, organizational awareness, problem solving, and leadership skills, which entails all skills for running the project as a leader. Um, the way you communicate with others, manage your time, be aware of the organizational structure, and reach the right people at a certain point to help you resolve an issue while processing your orders. So, finally, the problem solving framework will help when you face many tangled issues running a procurement process. In the end, we'll have a summary about this module. Thank you for watching, and I'll see you in the next section.